Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can connect Instagram to your Ladder application. Now for the process, you need to follow a few simple steps. First thing, open the Ladder application on your phone device. Once you open the Ladder, you need to get logged in into your account at first. Now that you are logged in, you need to go to the accounts on the bottom right. Tap that. In the account section, you need to go on the social set inside setting. You tap on social set. Here in the social set, you will have the option to connect your Instagram and Facebook. Now for the connection of Instagram, you tap on no Instagram connected option, and there you can see a connect option beside that. You just tap on connect over there. This will start the beginning for linking your Instagram and Ladder application. This will redirect you to this page where you need to get logged in into the Instagram account of yours. For logging in, you provide your account credential of your Instagram, type in the phone number, username or the email address of yours from Instagram. Then below you type in the password and then scroll down and then tap on login. And just with that, your Instagram profile has been connected. Tap on done over here. So this is a way how you can easily connect your Instagram profile. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.